Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain feature extraction with SIFT method using OpenCV in Python. The SIFT, Scale-Invariant Feature Transform algorithm, is a computer vision technique utilized for image processing and object recognition, specifically designed for detecting key features in an image. The SIFT method is designed to find distinctive and invariant features in an image. This is achieved by detecting key points that correspond to regions in the image with unique patterns including corners, blobs, and edges. In this tutorial, I will briefly explore feature extraction with SIFT method using OpenCV's SIFT algorithm. This tutorial covers introduction to SIFT algorithm, feature extraction with SIFT using OpenCV. As I mentioned above, SIFT used to extract features in an image, and the algorithm includes the following steps. The first one is scale space extreme. SIFT starts by looking for those spatial points at different scales or sizes. It looks at the image at various levels of details, like zooming in or out, to find those spatial points regardless of their size. Next, key point localization. Once it identifies a potential spatial points, SIFT precisely locates them by examining the image's contrast at those points. It tries to pinpoint to exact location of the spatial points. Then orientation assignment. For each spatial point, SIFT also finds its orientation. It figures out in which direction the spatial point is pointing. For example, a corner might point diagonally or horizontally. Finally, descriptor calculation. SIFT calculates a unique description or fingerprint for each spatial point based on the image's local appearance. It looks at the pixel values around those spatial points and creates a set of numbers that represent that specific region's characteristics. An important aspect of SIFT method is that even when the image is resized, rotated, or slightly modified, it can still identify the same key points and describe them in a constant manner. This makes it very useful for various computer vision tasks like image matching, object recognition, and creating panorama images. In this part of tutorial, we use OpenCV's SIFT method to extract features of image in Python. First, we'll load the required libraries and the image file to use. Then we convert image to grayscale and apply blurring and the noise removal processes. Blurring and the noise removal play important roles in preparing the images for the SIFT feature extraction process. The right amount of blurring and the noise reduction can enhance the quality of key points detected by SIFT. Then we initialize the SIFT detector and detect key points by using detect and compute methods. Finally, we draw key points and display the image. Here is the code. First, we load the required libraries. Here we use OpenCV and matplotlib and our target file here. Then we load it, then we convert the image file to grayscale. Then we apply Gaussian blurring to reduce noise. Then some denoising processes to reduce noise level. We initialize the SIFT detector with a SIFT create object. Then we detect and compute key points with detect and compute method of SIFT object. Then we draw the key points on the image. You can change the flags here. Then we apply detected key points to original color image file. Here is the output. We detected key points in this image. So you can apply the same method to your image processing tasks. That's it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we briefly learned the feature extraction with SIFT method using OpenCV in Python. Thank you for watching. I'll put the link to the source code in the description of this video. Please subscribe my channel. Hit like button. Thank you for watching and see you next time.